What if you could launch your own automated website built to grow your list and promote offers in just minutes from now, without writing a word, without building a page, without touching a single line of code? Most people get stuck trying to piece it all together. Tech headaches, writing, and confusing tools. You've tried templates, builders, and courses, but nothing ever just works right out of the box. That's why we created Warrior Funnels, a done-for-you system built to simplify everything. Each of the 3 included websites is built around high-demand AI tools your audience actually wants. These are products people love to share, and your websites come loaded with them, ready to go. You get pre-built funnels, viral giveaways, and 30 days of automated follow-ups already written. No design, no writing. Just plug in your link and click to activate. The entire process takes minutes, even if this is your very first time. Built-in traffic tools are included to help you start generating visitors fast, no ads required. Let's take a quick look so you can see just how easy it is. Each of your funnels has a fantastic gift that you can just give away and capture emails, and we'll manage all those emails for you. It will automatically redirect them to this page, which will be an upsell. If they purchase this, you're going to get 100% of these commissions. It's going to go straight into your Warrior Plus account. If they say no thank you, they are going to be redirected to this download page. So they'll be able to access their downloads. They'll be able to get free access to what they've just signed up for, as well as see some little subtle upsells. So this is going to encourage them to go and buy the upsell. It also has some viral links here. So if they share, it's going to be redirected to your link. Now, if they do decide to buy this offer, we're going to keep upselling them. So we have different offers that we're going to invite them to check out. So they will check out this offer, and all of it is pre-written, and all of it you'll get 100% of these sales. It's got downsell offers. It's got even further upsells. So they will be able to purchase some of these as well, all the way through here to getting extra upsells. And you're going to get 100% throughout this entire thing, including a $197 offer. So each one of your funnels, from the retro lead gen system to the AI puzzle crafter system here and Botception, you're going to get about $330 per customer that can come through, all automated and all done for you. And I'm going to show you how to set it up now. It's so very easy. So the first thing you need to do is come into your account and click on Settings and Payment Profiles. Come down to Warrior Plus API where it says this, and click this link here. And this is going to take you directly to your Warrior Plus account. You copy and paste that API key into here, and then click on Save, and your account is set up. You only have to do that once. After you've done that, come to Funnels and My Funnels, and you'll see your 3 Warrior Plus funnels, so your Warrior funnels here. So each of these is unique. You can click on here. So this one is the AI Puzzle Crafter. Click on Promotional Links, and then click on here to request to promote this. Now, the beauty of this is you only have to request for one of the products. So click on here, put the same email address that you used for Warrior Funnels to purchase, and then we will approve you. And you're going to get 100% commissions and sales throughout all of the 3 funnels. Now, you only have to do that for one of these 3 funnels. Once you've done that, you can close this, and you're going to see here, Funnel Link and Traffic Kit. Click on that, and then this is your funnel, and it's live. So have a look at this. You've got a page all ready to go. It's going to capture emails. It's going to automatically send people through to the actual sales pages and upsells and downsells and deliver it automatically for you. But there's so much more in here. You can see all of the follow-up emails. So you can click here if you want to see what emails are going to be automatically sent. each of these emails here, you will see it's got the link here to download, so it will automatically download that gift. It will also upsell them here to your own offer. So here, when people click this, they're going to be sent to see your offer here and click upgrade offers. These will encourage more sales of all of your offers. Capturing emails, upselling them is really great, but you know the money is in the list, and that's where this system really kicks things up a notch, because you'll see each of these systems has follow-up emails built into it. So if you click here, you can see exactly what emails are going to be sent out to people that have signed up. You can click on these and you can see there's teaching and training emails, and each of them will encourage people to go and check out your offer. And you can close that. Have a look here. Tools for you to promote as well. So if you have a look under funnel link and traffic kit, you'll see your link here. So this is, you can share that, and you'll see email swipes if you want to share those. You can see ads that you can share. Just click and post on Facebook. There's some Twitter ads here, a LinkedIn ad, and there's also some banner graphics, so you can use these here as well. With Warrior Funnels, you're getting access to these entire 3 built for you business systems, and it's already quicker than you can imagine. So just set it up, your settings, payment profiles, and then send one affiliate request, and all 3 of these are branded, automated, and ready to make you sales. In just a few clicks, your website is live, working to grow your list and promote offers automatically. Many users who struggled before have finally started seeing momentum using this system. You can get access to all 3 pre-built systems, product funnels, and included tools for one low payment. You're protected by a 30-day satisfaction guarantee too, so there's zero risk in trying it out. Click the button now and launch your new automated website in minutes.